Ever wondered if you can truly team up on a Wix website using just a shared link? Let's cut to the chase. Wix doesn't offer direct collaborative editing through a simple shared link like Google Docs. Forget about sending a link and having someone jump in to make live changes alongside you instantly. Instead, Wix relies on a system of roles and permissions to allow someone to contribute to your website. You need to invite them as a collaborator. To do this, go to your Wix dashboard, typically found by logging into your Wix account and selecting the website you want to work on. Look for Settings in the left-hand menu, usually at the bottom. Within Settings, find and click on Roles and Permissions. This is where you control who can access and modify your site. Here, you'll see an option to invite people. Enter the email address of the person you want to collaborate with. Now, the crucial step: choose a role. Wix offers various roles like admin, website manager, or blog writer. Each role has specific permissions dictating what they can and cannot do. An admin has full control, while a blog writer can only create and edit blog posts. Consider what level of access your collaborator needs and assign the appropriate role. Carefully review the permission levels associated with each role before sending the invite. Misassigning roles can lead to unintended consequences. Once you've selected the role and entered the email, click Send Invite. Your collaborator will receive an email with instructions on how to accept the invitation and access the website. So, while you can't directly edit with a shared link, Wix's Roles and Permissions system offers a structured and secure way to collaborate on your website. It ensures that everyone has the right access level, enabling efficient teamwork on your Wix project.